Have you ever been wondering how people earn over 100 bags daily just by sitting in front of their desktop and mobile devices taking surveys online? Well, if you weren't aware of it, online surveys are one of the best means to earn passive income daily online, since you decide when to go in for it or not. Surveys are just based on answering questions and giving your opinion, which will be used by many fintech companies in managing their client, and then you get paid for it. If you were in search for the best paid survey websites that are real and legit, then you just landed in the right place, as we count on the best online highly paying survey websites that are legit for earning passive income daily. Number 1. One Opinion. One Opinion is a survey aggregator with an effective screening process. Its dashboard is informative and displays helpful sections, such as your activity in a customer support form. They have the good qualities and ratings to be classified as the first year. As for the points awarded per survey, 500 or 1,000 points may look high at first, but when converted to actual rewards, you'd get 50 cents or $1. However, the minimum points required for cash out are 25,000 points, which are equivalent to $25. As for withdrawal, they can be made through credit cards, PayPal, and even through Amazon gift cards. To sign up for an account, you will need to chat with their chatbot and agree to their different terms, providing your name, email, address, and the bot will get your account set up. Based on our experiments, One Opinion has an hourly average earnings of $2.03 per hour. Why not give One Opinion a try and start making some bags for yourself? Number 2. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is a smaller survey aggregator, but it stands out amongst the best. The site has a clean, easy-to-use dashboard and offers a high point value for each survey you complete. They even have a mobile app, and I have to say that they are legit in payments. The point system is direct and shows a real-time value of your points worth in USD directly on your dashboard. However, the minimum points required for cash out are 500 points. When setting up your account, you will need to provide some information such as zip code, country of residence, date of birth, gender, first name, last name. Based on our experiments, Survey Junkie has an average hourly earning of $1.57 per hour. Why don't you give Survey Junkie a try? Number 3. Opinion Outpost. Some survey sites bombard users with information and opportunities, but not Opinion Outpost. It's simple, intuitive website where you can take surveys without stress. Thanks to its straightforward point system, it is an ideal survey platform for beginners, and you can get up to 10 cents per point. It is an ideal website to take surveys for everyone, and you can easily cash out through Amazon. All you will need to do is to join the platform, share your opinions, and rejoice with your rewards. To join the platform, you will need to complete the sign-up form with appropriate information required from you. Based on our experiments, Opinion Outpost has an hourly average earnings of $1.50 per hour. Why don't you join Opinion Outpost and give it a try? Number 4. iSay. Surveys served by iSay are through Ipsos, which is the market research firm that owns it. The site offers fewer surveys than aggregators do, but you stay on iSay for every survey, which makes the overall experience easier. Plus, there is a long catalog of rewards that you can claim by completing surveys. Sometimes it displays surveys you already tried, which can be annoying. In this case, all you need to do is to search for new surveys. Its main advantage is that you remain on the site for the entire survey process, unlike other server websites which take you to external sites to complete some surveys. To join the platform, you will need to provide some information required in the sign-up form and then start taking surveys. Based on our experiments, iSay has an hourly average earnings of $1.01 per hour. Why don't you join iSay and give it a try? Number 5. My Points. With My Points, you earn reward points for shopping online and in-store, taking paid surveys, dining out, and discovering content. Redeem for gift cards or cash rewards towards. My Points offered 75 survey opportunities, with a low average hourly pay rate. Plus, the reasons for survey disqualifications often were unclear, and you might get disqualified for little errors. Just a word can get you disqualified for a survey, which makes them a really strict survey platform. Upon joining the platform, you will receive a $10 welcome bonus which can be redeemed through Amazon or Visa gift cards. Based on our experiments, MyPoints has an hourly average earnings of $1.01 per hour. Why don't you join MyPoints and give it a try? Those were our best picks of best survey websites to earn passive income daily with at least $1 an hour. For some other honorable picks, we can mention Swagbucks, Taluna, Inbox Dollars, which have good survey ratings but their earnings aren't that accurate and valuable as our top 5 picks. For all these mentioned survey websites, you can get their links from the video description. Also, consider checking out our full written reviews on all of these survey sites to know which is actually best for you. Alright guys, we have come to the end of our video, and as always, if you don't want to miss any more exclusive content released on this channel, please subscribe to this channel now and enable the notification bell icon to get notified whenever we release a new exclusive content. Thanks for watching.